A serious security incident has now unfolded in the Gulf region. Multiple drones reportedly struck Kuwait International Airport, and ladies and gentlemen, that is one of the country's most important aviation hub. According to officials from Kuwait news agency, the drones caused material damage inside parts of the airport complex. Fortunately, there was no reported casualty though, and the flights they were able to continue operating. But this whole incident, it has sent shockwaves across the region. At almost the same time, loud explosions they were reported hundreds of kilometers away in Dubai, a major financial and commercial center in the United Arab Emirates. Residents reported hearing very powerful blasts, and in fact, there were videos that were circulating online showing thick black smoke rising above the residential district. The tension in the city, it was already high, right? Because just a day earlier also, drones had struck Dubai International Airport, injuring several people and briefly alarming aviation authorities. Now all these incidents, they are unfolding against the backdrop of a rapidly escalating conflict involving Iran, the US and Israel. The confrontation intensified after a major strike at the beginning of war reportedly killed their supreme leader, Ali Khamenei. And since then, the whole region, it has witnessed missile launch, drone strike, naval confrontation and attacks on shipping routes. And this crisis, it is not limited to airports. In another alarming development, a commercial container ship was recently hit by a projectile near the coast of Dubai. The strike caused a fire on board, forcing emergency responses at the sea and raising fear that the merchant vessels could become the next target in this conflict. And this is concerning, by the way, because the Gulf region is one of the most important economic arteries in the world. Major airports like Kuwait International Airport or Dubai International Airport, it connects Asia, Europe, Africa, and that too through thousands of flights every week. At the same time, nearby sea routes, they carry huge volume of oil and trade route as well. So when airports, ships and commercial infrastructure, they are under threat, the consequences that goes far beyond the battlefield. Airlines, they may reconsider routes. Shipping companies may delay the shipments, and global business, it begins to prepare for disruption. And this is already happening.